How to fix Discord not opening. So one possible reason why your Discord is not opening is because it's already running on the background of your desktop. So one possible fix is to go open your task manager. Once this window opens, just make sure that the Discord is not included here on the apps list. If the Discord is here, just right click on the Discord and select End Task in here. After that, close the task manager, relaunch your Discord app, and it should now open. But if this didn't work, another thing you can try is to reinstall the Discord app. So go to the search icon again, type in Add or Remove Apps. In this window, a list of your installed apps will show, so just find Discord and click on the three dots icon beside that and click on Install. After that, go open your browser and type in Discord download. Click on the site and in here just install Discord again. Log in once the app is already done downloading and your Discord should now work. So that is how to fix Discord not opening. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.